Yaksha in Hindu mythology. Yaksha is a celestial being who is known for his wisdom, strength, and courage. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the story of Yaksha and explore his journey in Hindu mythology. Origin of Yaksha. Yaksha's origin can be traced back to the Vedas, the ancient Hindu scriptures. According to the Vedas, Yakshas were the guardians of the natural world and were believed to be a powerful force of nature. Yakshas were known to be protectors of the forests, rivers, and mountains. In Hindu mythology, Yakshas were considered to be a part of the divine army of Lord Kubera, the god of wealth. Yaksha's encounter with Yudhishthira. One of the most famous stories involving Yaksha is his encounter with Yudhishthira, one of the Pandavas, in the Mahabharata. According to the story, Yudhishthira was traveling through a forest with his brothers when they came across a beautiful lake. Yudhishthira asked his brothers to fetch water from the lake, but they never returned. Yudhishthira went to the lake and found his brothers lying dead on the ground. Suddenly, Yaksha appeared before him and asked him a series of riddles. Yudhishthira answered all the riddles correctly, and Yaksha was impressed with his intelligence. Yaksha then revealed that he had killed Yudhishthira's brothers, as they had tried to take water from the lake without permission. Yaksha then resurrected the Pandavas and blessed Yudhishthira with wealth and prosperity. Yaksha's role in Ramayana. In the story, Lord Rama is banished from his kingdom and sent to live in the forest for 14 years. While in the forest, Rama encounters various creatures, including Yakshas. One such Yaksha is Hanuman, who helps Rama in his quest to rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana. Hanuman's strength and courage are greatly appreciated by Rama, and he becomes one of his most trusted allies. Yaksha's appearance and characteristics. In Hindu mythology, Yakshas are often depicted as having a human form, with animal-like features such as horns and fangs. They are known to be very strong, wise, and powerful. Yakshas are often associated with wealth, fertility, and prosperity. They are also believed to have the power to grant wishes to those who seek their help. Yaksha Worship. Yakshas are worshipped in Hinduism as a symbol of prosperity and abundance. People offer prayers to Yaksha to seek wealth and prosperity in their lives. Yaksha worship is particularly popular in South India, where they are believed to be the guardians of the natural world. His role as a guardian of the natural world and his association with wealth and prosperity make him an important deity for many Hindus. His encounters with Yudhishthira and Lord Rama are just a few examples of his importance in Hindu mythology. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mythology content. What other gods and goddesses would you like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below.